Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Come with me as I turn my client's old wig into a brand new one. This is a 2x6 closure, and the one that came with the wig is already torn, like it's bad, so I'm going to be changing it. So if you have any old wigs in the house that you just abandoned, please, I encourage you to watch this video to the end so that you know what to do about the old wigs that you have in the house. So first of all, I'm going to be reventilating a new closure. So I'm using a 2x6 closure, and this is the bundle I'm going to be using for the ventilating, and I'm using a wooden ventilating pin, and my canvas hair, I'm going to pin them down on my canvas head. So I already ventilated a little bit of hair on this net before I started filming this video. So guys, if I just see my video for the very first time, I'm Nala Peace Corner, and I'm a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria. So, and if you're my returning subscribers, you are super welcome. I'm grateful for all your love and your support. So guys, I'm going to leave you to enjoy this video till the end. Please watch closely and learn something so that learn something from this video so that you'll be able to apply whatever you learned on your own wigs. Whenever you want to make your own wig, you can just apply it there, so that you don't have to take your old wigs to any salon, because when you take them to salon, they're going to charge you for services they're going to render to you. But when you watch this video to the end, you're not going to be taking your wigs to the salon, you're just going to do it by yourself. So guys, I'm going to see you at the end of the video. So guys, this is the final look of the wig, and I'll go ahead to straighten it with my stretcher to make it look new again. So after straightening, and I'm going to pack it and wait for my clients to come and pick our wig up. So guys, thank you for watching. Please like and share this video, comment and give us a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to see you on my next video. Bye, take care.